Do you frequently feel as though you are unable to save enough money? Interested in learning the best possible ways about cutting costs on a tight budget? Are you trying to stretch your money even further? Then you're in the right place. We'll be giving you some useful advice in this video that will enable you to save money without giving up the things you value. We'll be exploring these topics in depth. Making a budget. Eliminating wasteful spending. Comparing prices. Cooking at home. Finding free entertainment. Earning extra money, and automating your savings. This video is ideal for anyone trying to save more money, regardless of their financial situation. Therefore, take a seat back, unwind, and let's begin saving money on a tight budget.
Welcome to The Strategist.
Saving money on a tight budget. Number 1. Making a budget. Budgeting is the first step in saving money. Write down every monthly expense you have, including your rent, utilities, travel, groceries, and entertainment. The first step in saving money on a limited budget is to create a budget. It enables you to keep track of your expenditure and spot areas where you can make savings. Here are some guidelines for creating a successful budget. 1. Compile all financial data. Before you begin developing your budget, compile all of your financial data, including your income, obligations, and outgoing costs. This will make it easier for you to understand your financial status. 2. Classify your expenditures. Sort your spending into other categories, such as lodging, travel, food, entertainment, etc. When you categorize your spending, you'll be able to identify where the majority of your money is going and where you may make changes. 3. Monitor your spending. After you've created a budget, begin monitoring your expenditures. Log all of your expenses using an app or spreadsheet, then compare them to your spending plan. 4. Set goals. Having a clear motivation to follow your budget and make sacrifices as necessary will help you stay on track. Examples of specific goals include saving for a vacation or an emergency fund. 5. Be realistic. When establishing your budget, it's critical to be realistic. It will be challenging to cling to unattainable objectives or drastic budget cuts. 6. Review and adjust. Regularly review your budget and make any necessary adjustments. Your income and expenses could alter, so it's crucial to monitor and modify your budget as necessary to keep it on track. Number 2. Eliminate wasteful spending. Eliminating unnecessary expenses is one of the simplest strategies to save money. Do you really need that pricey TV package, for instance? Can you get by using a streaming service alone instead? Do you have a gym membership that you never use? All of these costs are simple to eliminate from your budget. On a limited budget, cutting unnecessary expenses is a simple approach to saving money. Here are some guidelines for locating and reducing these costs. 1. Examine your bills carefully. Review all of your bills, including those for your cable, phone, and internet. Do you pay for services that you don't require or use? To save money, think about reducing or canceling these services. 2. Consider your subscriptions. Many of us have streaming services or magazine subscriptions that we may have forgotten about. Go through your subscriptions and cancel those you don't need anymore or don't need at all. 3. Reduce your eating out expenses. Eating out can be very expensive. Try cooking more frequently at home instead. You'll be able to choose healthier options and manage the ingredients in addition to saving money. 4. Shop wiser. When you do need to make a purchase, ensure that you're obtaining the greatest price. In addition to comparing costs at other retailers, check for coupons or discounts. 5. Refrain from impulsive purchases. Impulsive purchases can add up rapidly. Instead, develop a list of everything you need, follow it, and abstain from impulsive purchases. 6. Reduce energy use. Use energy-efficient items and turn off lights and appliances when not in use to reduce energy use. 7. Transportation. Calculate your travel expenses. To save money on gas and parking, may you rideshare or use public transportation? Can you cycle or walk instead of taking the bus or the car? Number 3. Shop around for the best prices. Comparing prices is another approach to saving money. This can entail doing price comparison shopping at several retailers or searching online for deals and discounts. To receive email alerts about specials and promotions, join up with your favorite merchants. Another excellent approach to cutting costs on a limited budget is to shop around for the best offers. Advice for locating the greatest offers. 1. Compare prices. Research prices at several retailers before making a buy. Checking online retailers, going to actual stores, or using price comparison websites are all options for doing this. 2. Make use of coupons and discounts. Before making a purchase, look for coupons and discounts. You can find coupons in newspapers and periodicals, as well as on the websites or email newsletters of many retailers. 3. Benefit from sales. Keep an eye out for sales and clearance offers at your favorite retailers. It's worthwhile to frequently check back to see what's available because many stores have ongoing sales. 4. Use cashback applications. You can get money on your purchases by using one of the many cashback apps that are available. These applications frequently collaborate with merchants to provide cashback on specific products or when you make purchases through the app. 5. Take into account used or refurbished things. Purchasing used or refurbished items might help you save a sizable sum of money. These products are frequently in fine functioning order and might be an excellent substitute for brand new things. 6. Take advantage of loyalty programs. A lot of shops have programs that reward you for making purchases. If you frequently purchase at a particular retailer, it is worth signing up for these programs because they often offer discounts, cashback, or other perks. 7. Never be afraid to bargain. If you're purchasing a costly item, never be hesitant to haggle over the price. If you purchase many things or if the retailer has to get rid of outdated inventory, they could be ready to give you a discount. When you browse around for bargains, you can find the most value for your money and save a lot of money. Number 4. Prepare meals at home. If you eat out frequently, it might be very expensive. Try cooking at home instead. You'll be able to choose healthier options and manage the ingredients in addition to saving money. On a limited budget, cooking at home is a terrific method to save money. For advice on preparing meals at home, see 1. Make a meal plan. Make a grocery list and pre-plan your meals. By doing so, you'll be able to plan your shopping and stay away from impulse buys. 2. Shop for ingredients. When purchasing ingredients, look for deals and sales. If at all possible, buy in quantity. You could reduce your grocery spending by doing this. 3. Reuse leftovers. Make fresh recipes with any food that is left over from earlier meals. For instance, the following day, you could utilize the leftover chicken to make a salad or a sandwich. 4. Prepare food in bulk. Make more and freeze the extras for later. When you don't have time to cook, you'll have meals available. Number 5. Discover free entertainment. Fun doesn't always have to be pricey. There are many interesting activities that are free or inexpensive, like going on a hike in the outdoors, visiting a museum, or taking part in a local festival. On a limited budget, finding free or inexpensive entertainment options is a terrific way to save money. Number 6. Earn additional income. Earning additional revenue is another technique to save money. This can entail doing some side work or selling things you no longer need. Saving money on a limited budget can be accomplished by earning additional revenue. Number 7. Automate your savings. This is one of the finest strategies to save money. Make monthly transfers from your checking account to your savings account so they happen automatically. By doing it this way, you won't even need to think about saving money, it will just happen. It is feasible to save money on a limited budget, but it does need some work. You can start to notice actual savings in your budget by implementing these suggestions. Keep in mind to create a budget, eliminate wasteful spending, shop around for the best discounts, prepare meals at home, locate free activities, earn extra money, and automate your savings. You can enjoy the things you love while saving money if you exercise a little self-control. Thank you for watching.